How to add text to space to Canva videos. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add text to space to Canva videos. Canva is a popular online graphic design tool that allows users to create a wide range of visual content. Now to get started, open any web browser of your device and at the address bar type canva.com. Once you have typed this keyword, press the enter button to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Canva. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into it, you will reach to this interface, where at the top you will find this video option. You can also click on this upload option right here and choose a video from your device. If not, you can also click on this video option and find the video that meet your preferences. Here scroll down and find the template that you like. Once you find the video you like, double click on it to go to the editing space. Here once you reach to the editing space, at the left bar you will find apps option at the bottom. Click on it and now in the search bar type AI voice generator. Once you have typed it, press the enter button to search it. It will present you various AI voice generator applications. Here you can choose this first one. You will have to sign in to this application. Scroll down at the very bottom you will find sign in option. Click on this option and now click on this connect option. You can simply sign into it by using your Google account. Once you have done that, confirm it and you will be successfully signed into this AI application. Once you are signed into it, now you can use this application. Here in this box, you'll have to type your script. At the left side, here you can choose any of these voices available, and at the bottom you can click on this preview voice to preview the voice that you have selected. Click on it to preview it. If you are satisfied with it, you can click on this add to design option and it will be added to your design now. Once it is added to your design, you can check the video by clicking on this play button. Now once you are satisfied with it, you can go ahead and tap on the share option at the top right, and from here you can download it to your device. So in this way you can add text to space to Canva videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.